Tweets by Bollywood celebrities will soon be under scanner. Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has said that the State Intelligence Department would be asked to probe the tweets as to why they are so eerily similar to each other in timing and content. This comes after Congress leader Sachin Sawant questioned the timing and content of the tweets and alleged that the celebrities were pressurized by the government.
जो ट्वीट किए गए हैं इन सेलिब्रिटीज जो नेशनल हीरोज है, इनका उस ट्वीट का कंटेंट देखा जाए, उसका मसूदा देखा जाए, उसका टाइमिंग देखा जाए, या जिस तरह से वो ट्वीट किए गए हैं उसमें जो सिमिलैरिटीज है उसको देखा जाए, तो निश्चित तौर पर ये पता चलता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी और जो सरकार है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की मोदी सरकार, इनके दबाव के वजह से ये ट्वीट करवाए गए हैं।
आपका जो ऑब्जेक्शन में जहां तक मैं समझता हूँ इसके बारे में जरूर जांच हम करेंगे। हमारी इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी है, इसके बारे में पूरी जांच करेंगे कि किस प्रकार से हुआ। खास करके जो सुनील शेट्टी का जो ट्वीट है, उन्होंने जैन नाम के जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कार्यकर्ता है उसको रिट्वीट किया। मतलब ये सब कुछ जताता है कि अलग एंगल से एक ही टाइमिंग पे और लाइन ऑफ एक्शन एक ही जैसी देने की कोशिश यहाँ पे की गई ऐसा लगता है। इसकी पूरी जांच हमारी इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी की तरफ से हम करेंगे।
Mayuresh is joining me live for more. Mayuresh, how can a state government have control over what a Bollywood celebrity tweets from a personal handle? What is the state government trying to say? Even if they have come under whatever influence, they are free to post whatever they like in their own personal capacity on a Twitter handle. Is the minister also saying that someone else has done it and that's why the messages are so similar?
See, because that's the big question, that on what pretext or on how the state government is going to probe this, when the Congress has basically complained that there is some kind of a pressure from the center government or from the BJP which is ruling in the center on these celebrities. But how the state government is going to prove that there was a kind of a pressure on these celebrities and that's why they have tweeted. So it's a very really big question in front of the state government. Though Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has said that the State Intelligence Department will probe this matter, but as you and me are discussing that how they are going to probe it and how they are going to prove it that there was a pressure, that needs to be seen. But if we go back, that yes, Congress has basically made this complaint that if you look at the content as well as the timing of these tweets, they look similar. That's what the Congress complaint says, and that's why they had approached the Maharashtra State Government and Maharashtra Home Minister to look into this matter. Replying to that complaint, Maharashtra Home Minister has said that the State Intelligence Department will probe this entire issue and they will see that whether there was any kind of pressure on these celebrities, and due to that particular pressure these celebrities have tweeted or not.
Yes, but the fact is that even if there was any such influence, that is not a crime. It is not illegal for anyone to come under the influence of a campaign as well, which is why the question arises. I want you to quickly refer for our viewers, what are the tweets that we are referring to here, because we're talking about Akshay Kumar, Sunil Shetty, even Sachin Tendulkar putting out tweets which did sound exactly similar though, isn't it? And it was in close succession of each other. But what was the provocation for those tweets? If you can just give us the timeline of events and why this is important.
Absolutely. If you see that after Rihanna, the celebrity Rihanna tweeted about the farmers issue, we saw that a lot of Indian celebrities have basically tweeted, and they are clearly said that it's an internal matter of India and no foreign person or a foreign celebrity should interfere in this matter. And the Congress is basically questioning on these tweets. They are not questioning about that why these people have basically tweeted, but they are questioning about the content and the timing, and somewhere they are saying that yes, there is something, some pressure on these celebrities, and that's why these celebrities who were quite, who basically didn't react when the petrol prices were high or when the farmers were agitating or protesting since last so many days, they didn't put out a single tweet or any social media post, but immediately they started putting out these kind of tweets and social media posts, which basically raises a lot of question. And as I said, that Congress complaint says about the timing and the content. So this is the basically reference that the celebrities who were quiet during last 30 to 40 days or more than that, since the farmers were protesting at the Singhu border and various Ghazipur border including, but that time they didn't put out any social media post or a tweet. But after Rihanna tweeted about it, all of a sudden all these celebrities have come in front and they have started tweeting about it, and which basically led Congress to file this complaint, or to basically make this complaint to the state government of Maharashtra, saying that if you could look at the timing and the content of the tweet, and still Congress feels that somewhere there is a pressure of the center government, and due to that influence, due to that pressure, these celebrities have put out these tweets.
Okay, thanks Mayuresh for joining us with the details.